Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslakir Gareleaf. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of RNA, the unsung hero of molecular biology. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the incredible RNA universe. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is often overshadowed by its more famous cousin, DNA. But let me tell you, RNA is the real star of the show. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the cell, capable of performing a multitude of tasks that keep our cells functioning and our bodies healthy. First off, let's talk about the different types of RNA. We have the messenger RNA, or mRNA, which acts as the cell's messenger, carrying genetic information from DNA to the ribosomes for protein synthesis. According to a study published in Nature Reviews Genetics, the average length of mRNA in human cells is about 2,000 nucleotides. That's like a genetic telegram. Then there's transfer RNA, or tRNA, the decoder ring of the cell. It reads the genetic code on the mRNA and brings the corresponding amino acids to the ribosome for protein assembly. Without tRNA, our cells would be lost in translation, literally. And let's not forget about ribosomal RNA, or rRNA, the ribosome's best friend. It makes up about 60% of the ribosome's mass and is crucial for its protein-making abilities, according to a study in Nature Reviews Molecular Cell Biology. It's like the construction foreman of the cell. But RNA isn't just about protein synthesis. It also plays a crucial role in gene regulation. Take microRNAs, or miRNAs, for example. These tiny RNA molecules regulate the expression of about 60% of human genes, as reported in Nature Reviews Genetics. They're like the cell's secret agents, silencing genes when necessary. Now let's talk about RNA synthesis, the process of making RNA from DNA. It's like the cell's version of a printing press. The main machine in this process is RNA polymerase, which reads the DNA template and churns out RNA copies. It's a complex process involving initiation, elongation, and termination steps, but it's essential for life as we know it. But the RNA story doesn't end there. After synthesis, RNA molecules often undergo post-transcriptional modifications, like a final round of editing. These modifications include capping, splicing, and polyadenylation, which help stabilize the RNA and prepare it for its cellular duties. In fact, alternative splicing allows a whopping 95% of human genes to produce multiple protein variants, according to a study in Nature. Talk about diversity. Of course, we can't discuss RNA without mentioning its role in evolution. The RNA world hypothesis suggests that early life forms may have relied solely on RNA for both genetic information storage and catalytic functions. It's like RNA was the jack of all trades in the primordial soup. And let's not forget about RNA's importance in modern medicine. mRNA vaccines, like those developed for COVID-19 by Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna, have shown incredible efficacy rates of 95% and 94.1%, respectively, according to studies published in the New England Journal of Medicine. These vaccines use RNA to teach our cells how to recognize and fight off the virus. It's like giving our immune system a crash course in viral combat. But the potential of RNA therapies goes beyond vaccines. Researchers are exploring ways to use RNA interference, or RNAi, to silence disease-causing genes. According to a study in Nature Reviews Drug Discovery, RNAi can reduce the expression of specific genes by up to 90%. That's like putting a mute button on misbehaving genes. And with the rise of personalized medicine, RNA-based diagnostics are becoming increasingly important. Techniques like RNA sequencing can detect gene expression levels with incredible sensitivity, as reported in Nature Methods. It's like taking a high-resolution snapshot of a cell's RNA profile, which can help doctors diagnose and treat diseases more effectively. But perhaps the most exciting frontier in RNA research is the study of non-coding RNAs. For years, scientists thought that only protein-coding genes mattered. But now we know that non-coding RNAs, like long non-coding RNAs, LNCRNAs, play crucial roles in gene regulation and cellular function. According to a study in Nature, there are over 10,000 LNCRNAs in the human genome, and we're just beginning to unravel their mysteries. It's like discovering a hidden language within our cells. So what does the future hold for RNA research? The possibilities are endless. From developing new RNA-based therapies to exploring the role of RNA in aging and disease, scientists are just scratching the surface of this incredible molecule's potential. But I think the real takeaway here is that RNA is the unsung hero of the cell. It's the multitasker, the shapeshifter, the jack of all trades. Without RNA, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. So the next time someone mentions DNA, Just remember, RNA is the real MVP. And that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the fascinating world of RNA and gained a new appreciation for this incredible molecule. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.